Hi, my name is Samantha Bothwell. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and clinical associate at Modern Intimacy. June is Men's Mental Health Month, so today we're talking about why it can be difficult for men to ask for help even if they need it, and ways to go about overcoming that fear so that they can get the help that they need. Societal expectations can really impact the way that men express emotions or seek help if they do seek help at all. Men and young boys are conditioned from a really young age to man up, to not express their feelings, and are often taught that feelings are feminine, which is something that they're not supposed to be. And can feel really shameful to have emotions at all or to struggle. And as a result, men may not ask for help, or they tend to struggle in silence. Common fears and concerns that men often have when asking for help about mental health is that they'll be perceived as weak, or it seems like a feminine or a girly thing to do. That gender conditioning to be masculine, it feels like such an integral part of the self, of who you are and who you're supposed to be. So anything that threatens that can feel very shameful and scary, and it can create a big barrier to receiving help or asking for help even when it's really needed. Some signs that a man might want or need help, even if he's not asking for it, are if mental health symptoms are starting to get in the way of relationships, ability to function at work or in school or other daily life activities. Regardless of the mental health condition, whether it's anxiety, depression, these are the core domains of life that tend to be impacted by mental health symptoms and are always the things that therapists and other mental health professionals are looking at to examine whether someone is struggling with a mental health condition or not. So when we see someone's functioning in one of these areas start to decline, it's generally a key sign that they need help. If you reach out for help and you don't get a supportive response, please know that that doesn't mean that asking for help isn't okay. It's still normal to need help sometimes, even if the person you ask or go to doesn't respond in a way that feels supportive. Often the first step feels like the most intimidating one, but if you're watching content like this, then you've already taken the first step towards normalizing that it's okay for men to ask for help. If there is a man in your life who's struggling with his mental health, it can be confusing and overwhelming to know how to bring that up to them in a way that won't make them feel embarrassed or judged. And there's a few different ways to go about it that can create a sense of safety in the relationship to talk about these things. One way to do it would be to express concern or curiosity, such as, hey, I've noticed you've had a difficult time sleeping lately, or hey, you've seemed a little bit more irritable. Is there something going on? Is there some way I could support you? From there, if they open up about it, or maybe they don't, you could always normalize that it's okay if they are having a difficult time and that you're open to talking about it with them. This creates an opportunity to connect around these things and also plants the seed that it's okay for men to ask for help if they need it. Asking for help can be really difficult for a variety of reasons, and doing hard things is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength and courage. If you connected with this topic or know someone who might, please make sure to like, subscribe for more helpful content.